Hello. Today's a quick video where I'll show you how to use Affinity's batch job to convert your files from RGB to CMYK. So if you're working in Clip Studio Paint and you want to use Affinity to convert to CMYK like I showed you in the previous video, and you already know it's going to look good in CMYK and you don't want to check each individual page and you just want to say you finish an entire comic book and you just want to batch convert all of them so you don't have to do it one by one, you use this new batch job. And you can save out the multiple kinds of formats like JPEGs if you're handing in JPEGs, but I would save out the TIFF first so it converts to CMYK and then do a batch job on those TIFFs to convert to JPEG so that it's converted to CMYK, save colors first, and then you make a JPEG and RGB to send to your editors or artists or whatever. So you click this and you want to save into a folder, right? So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go to Mystique 4 Colors Batch Test, which I set up to test this. It's currently empty. It's going to save there. Then we're going to take Mystique 4, the files that I saved as PSDs for the finished book. I'm going to grab all of them except for some of these work files. So it's 20, that's 20 pages. You have to add them. You can't just say, convert this folder. You have to actually add them here. You can do actions if you have like, these are my actions that are over here. They're showing here. But I don't need to do any of that because I'm just going to convert it to CMYK here. Under the TIFF settings, we'll go there and we'll go CMYK 8-bit. You could say use document profile, but it's not converted yet, so we can't do that. We're going to go to Marvel. UCR 300. I showed you on previous videos how to do that and how that works. And then we're going to use LZW compression, which is a lossless compression. And it's as simple as that. That's where the settings are for the file. So if you do JPEGs later, you go here and that's where you would pump up this to that higher level. Okay, and it's saving to there where I told it. If I wanted to apply any of these, I could apply them. Like if I needed to I don't know if I needed to do anything, but this will flatten it and convert it and save it as a TIFF. Now watch how fast it goes. It's going to load up a little box over here and you're going to see it process it. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And it's done. That's how long it took. And there you have it. It's as easy and fast as that. I hope this helps some of you with your art. See you next time.